Hello, I'm Dr. John Pelton. I'm a resident at the Weill Cornell residency program in Manhattan, New York. How did I find out about the CIA course? So I'm part of the Osteo Science Program. It's a 2-week program devoted to bone grafting and implant placement. So you get assigned to work with different faculty and attendings across the country. And I was fortunate to be assigned to work with Dr. Kapitan and Dr. Cook. Fortunately, it lined up really well with this opportunity for CIA to be able to level up my all-on-X dental implant placement. The experience has been incredible. It definitely exceeded my expectations for what I thought I could get out of a cadaver course. To be able to have the prosthetic component to learn from a prosthodontist. This is a prosthetic treatment with a surgical component. So it was interesting to hear that perspective prior to jumping in and practicing on cadavers, the surgical. To get the best outcome for the patient, you have to have a good understanding of dentures, occlusion, and to be able to place the implants in the best possible position to allow for success. I've taken a couple of CE courses so far in my residency training, and this is by far the most comprehensive and kind of well thought out program that I've been a part of. To be able to have kind of fireside chats, to hear kind of the real lived experience and the stuff that you don't see in the lecture slides, as well as to have kind of that lecture component with kind of examples of cases, but also you're getting to see kind of real workflows for how they make this work in a practice, and then getting to practice the surgical component, getting to practice the cross component. Something that we kind of have lacking in a lot of our trainings is kind of doing that prosthetic work, which in real world and real private practice, you're having to do that as the implant surgeon. So to get that kind of hands-on practical experience in this setting with cadavers is something that you won't find in other programs. You just don't get this experience at regular manufacturer type courses where you kind of have this kind of provider, direct provider experience.